Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the finals error codes TFSS0030, TFSS0024, TFSS0016, and TFSS0031. As per our research, all these error codes are similar in nature and mostly appear when players try to enter the game or right after completing a match. Many users reported that the error comes after loading the game or finishing a match, which forces them back to the menu with a red connecting screen, followed by one of these error codes. According to our research, there is no official explanation for the error codes, but they seem to be related to network issues, glitches with the Embark platform, or problems with the IPv6 settings on the system. First, try restarting the game a few times. A few users shared that closing the game using Alt plus F4 and restarting helped them get in. So give this a try and see if this helps. If restarting the game doesn't help, then power cycle your PC and router. Simply turn them off, then unplug them from the power source, then wait for around 5 minutes and then plug them back in. After that, restart and check if the game or system needs an update. If there are pending updates, then install them and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then try verifying the game files and see if this resolves the error. If the error still continues, try running the game as an administrator. Then check if the error still comes. If the issue still persists, then try turning off IPv6 from your PC settings or router. Some users, especially in Germany using Telefonica O2, shared that disabling IPv6 from the PC helped fix the error. So give this a try and check if it helps. At last, if the error still comes, then the issue could be from the game's end. So wait for some time and try again. If the error continues for too long, then you should reach out to the game support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.